Okay, so your project, as you can see, will be on Khan Academy this Thanksgiving break, and this will carry over the winter break as well. When you come back from Thanksgiving, you can actually give this to me so I can check you off to see what module you have completed, and I'll give you proper credits for those modules. And I'll pass this back to you so that you can continue over your Christmas break. Okay, the first thing you need to do is to have a Google account. Remember, I'm very big on having a Gmail account, right? So by now, at least half the class should have a Gmail account already. And I do need you to create one for this particular Khan Academy. And so to do that, all you have to do is to first create a Gmail account before you even try to go to Khan Academy, and then click on log in. And as you can see right here, when you log in, it says Google or Facebook. Apparently, if you use Facebook at home, it will allow you to log in, but it won't allow you to log in over here because Facebook is blocked, right? So only Google will work. And since I already have a Google account, I can just go ahead and log in using my screen name and password. So you just go ahead and log in, and it will log you right in. Okay. First thing you see is probably something like this, and if you don't see the screen, what you need to do is just go ahead and go to your name right here. And click on it. Please, one more thing though. You want to use your real name, because when I check in on you and I don't see anyone I can actually identify, I can't give you credit. You know what I'm saying? For this one, so make sure it's you that I can see. And if you click on that and look at the bottom left right here, you see coaches. Click on that. Will allow you to add in a coach. And a coach ID that you should enter will be my email address, which is nnguyen@eesd.org. Okay, go ahead and type that in. Okay, yeah, this information will be online as well, just in case you need it. You need to see this again. Okay. So nguyen@eesd.org. By adding me as a coach, I will have access to your work, basically. What module you have completed, whether you have completed successfully with proficiency or you're still struggling or whatever. At least I have a sense of where you're at the point. So once you're done with that, hit add coach and you are on my list. Okay. Once again, don't forget that you want to use the name that I can actually identify, not some made up name. Next thing you go to is go straight to practice. Okay. If you want to watch videos first, it has a lot of categories. In this case, we're focusing on math, and notice it has tons here, all the way to college math, if you will. Okay. But go ahead and go straight to practice. And let's say that instead of trying to find what you need practice, you can search for it. But let's just I give you certain topics to work on over the break, but if you need to go back and review any other topics, you are more than welcome to just click on it and go straight into it, or zoom in to see categories within that module. You see it? So if you zoom in enough, you'll see more categories within that. Okay? But if you want to do a search for it, it's going to be all right here on the left-hand side. So start typing the name of challenge or skill to find right there. You just go ahead and type in, for example, the first module I want to do right now is adding and subtracting negative numbers. I just type in adding and subtracting negative. So you can kind of see that pops right up, right? Click on that, and it will give you your practice problem right there. Okay. Of course, you work it out. If you need, here you can actually have a scratch pad on here, so you just use it and write out your work, whatever it is that you need, or work on a piece of paper. I don't really care. And if you're done, you type in the answer. What's the answer? Okay, 5. You've typed that in, and I say, okay, check answer. It looks pretty good, and keep on going until all these cards actually go back to one deck. And, okay, that means you are proficient, and it's all good. Then you can move on to the next topic. If you're not proficient, keep on working. Okay, and let's just say that you are stuck. You can actually watch a video for it. And so this is what it looks like.
Find the sum 15 plus negative 46 plus 29. So let's just think about this first part over here, where we have 15 plus negative 46 plus negative 46, and we'll worry about the plus 29 later on. So
Okay, so you can kind of see what's happening, all right? They're going to show you how to do some stuff too. Uh, and yes, there's a show solution part here as well, but remember, try not to use, this is your own practice at home. Do not kind of abuse that. You want to see if you can actually learn it on your own. Try to answer it before getting help, okay? All right, so this is just basically how it is, and let's say you're done with it and you want to work on another topic, you can just go ahead and go back and search for another topic, or if you feel like you need to practice some more on adding, subtracting integers, you can certainly continue with that topic. Now look, you can just go ahead and hit back, topic page right here. It won't show until you go up, and it will appear, okay? Uh, so let's go back all the way, but let's say if you want to go all the way back to the beginning, just go ahead and press practice again. It will take you all the way back to the first page. And then you can search for another topic. In this case, let's say I want you to do point-intercept form, slope-intercept form, slope-intercept. So you can kind of see it right there, and it'll pop right up, and you can also practice slope-intercept. Okay?